So this is the Sofirn HS23, and the question is, where has this thing been in my life when I needed it the most? It just hasn't been here. Now the question is, why should you get this? The reason for it is quite simple. Not only it is small, it is also rechargeable and it's handy as well. So one size fits most. All you have to do is put it just like this, and now you're a cyclops, and it lets you see in places you couldn't see before. Look, man, no hands. And the best part about this is that with a hat it works even better. So what you do is you put the hat on, and the reason why I like this much more is that it just makes it just so much more awesome, because now it doesn't actually need to be too adjusted, and now it fits even more cool and awesome as well. So now what you're going to be doing is going through dark spaces. You're going to be turning this on, and it's going to work really well. Everywhere you look, the light actually keeps shining. And now we have all those different variations and different things you can do with this, and this makes it absolutely amazing as well. So you go into dark spaces and this will light just about anything. It's nice and dark over here, and I'm turning this on. You can see that the difference is just huge when it comes to this. But look at that. That was awesome. Take a look at this. So we have this light here that goes this way, and now we have different kind of lights that are available for us. We can do much more stronger, we can do much less strong as well. It gives us the possibilities for us to do. Now the best part about this is that sometimes you need regular lights such as this, and other times you need more powerful one, and sometimes you just need the LED light for you to go. So this does give you endless possibilities, and it also is absolutely amazing. So you decide how much power you need for whatever you're doing, and this is just absolutely amazing, mind-blowing what you can see and you can't see without it. Time to go to the black dungeon and see how this thing actually is gonna work when it's nice and dark in here. So I can't see nothing, and now I can. So this actually shows how powerful this light actually is when I'm going inside a dark location. And this being on my hat makes it a game changer for me. So I can just go ahead and press on it, and then I can change the power around that we are working with, and seeing how that actually works for us. And now I'm just showing you the different powers. So this is the lowest power right here, and this one is not that powerful, but it's good for spotting certain things. Then if you keep on pressing on it, this is the second power we have for this, and this is the biggest one, and this is a game changer. You can see everything with this. It's absolutely amazing what you can actually see with this light. And now we also have even more powerful one right here. This is the most powerful one, and it's amazing what this light can actually do. In fact, this thing is good. It's very good, by the way. And if you do double tap, it gives you the red light right here if you need to use it. And it remembers the last setting that you left it as well. It's absolutely amazing. So now I wanted to show you how it actually looks on me from this end over here, and whoa, look at that. There's so many things you can do with this, including the red light flashing, and also changing the power mode over here as well. It's really nice, and I like the way it goes right on my hat over here. It fits well, it feels absolutely amazing, and I can see just about anything with this, especially when it is super dark. Talking about dark here, let's go ahead and turn the lights off here. And the lights are off, almost off, and I can see just about anything with this. Putting this on, fixing the power I need this to be on, and voila, this is what I'm talking about. Total lightness with this. It is absolutely amazing. It is a game changer.